afternoon to witness a very memorable occasion on the married life of my uncle, retired Colonel Clemente, and my dear auntie, Nene. I am Mrs. Elvira Antonio, yung pamangkin nila, and my co-MC,
and I am Micaela Asubusta, the grandchildren of retired Colonel Clemente and Mrs. Fernanda Luz. Let us all rise and welcome the golden couple for their grand